What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Zay. And if you don't say the day, then you ain't part of the gang, man. On phone now. So check it, man. Today's video, and you probably already seen by the title. We got the unboxing and review of the none other than Holosun 507C ×2 series. Yeah, you gotta say the ×2 series, because you don't say the ×2, then you ain't saying it right. You feel me? Yeah, so let's get into this, man. Holosun 507C. Red dot optic. You can run this on your AR pistol. Or you can run it on a pistol that's optic ready. This mag is clear. Do a safety check. Nothing in there. All these guns was clear before I started the video. Also got the Glock 22 40 cal. Everything's clear. Mag's clear. The AK is clear also. Only gun that's in this video that have ammunition is the AR pistol. I'm not gonna be touching it today, so you don't have to worry about that. So everybody that's trying to beat me up in the comments, y'all can go ahead and walk about my comments, man, because I do practice gun safety and I do know how to handle my guns. This is not my first ride with firearms. So back to the unboxing. So we got Holosun 507C. Boom. I'll slide off a little sleeve. Come on the box. This is the box. Holosun 507C. Got my fingerprints all over it, my bad. No hands sweaty, you know. Holosun 507C. Holosun all around the box. Top says Holosun 507C. Damn, my hands is sweaty. But yeah. First, open up the box. Let's see how we looking. I think this the right way. Yep. First, coming to open up the box. Ooh. Got a little foam in the top. I just dropped that. Make sure we keep that in there. And first, what you see in the packaging, Holosun 507C. You know, come with the directions. Holosun 507C, reflex sight, user manual. Will come out of there. And boom, Holosun 507C. It's a good optic for starters if you want a good red dot. For starters, you know, I paid about $358 from Optics Planet. After taxes and shipping and everything, I paid for a next day shipping. So that added an extra like 30 to 50 bucks onto it on top of that. Cause I was so thirsty for the optic. You know, if you want to wait, you wait. I like to get my stuff pretty fast. So we're gonna take the optic out. So this optic, look at it, man. See that thing? Oh, Holosun 507C. Boom. I done dirtied it up already. Boom. See if I can get the red dot on camera. Can I do it? Can I do it? I don't think I can. Let me try one more time. Hold up. Let me try one more time. I can't find it. Hold on. Let me make sure it's on. And it's not on. There we go. I can see it now. So we got the Holosun 507C. Boom. Boom. Oh, okay. Holosun 507C. See the dot right there. Boom. So this red dot optic, same thing, has 3 different settings. So right now, it got the reticle with the dot, the circle dot reticle. Then if you hold the negative button for about 5 seconds, it switches and it becomes just a dot. You guys get that? Yep, just a dot. You hold it for 5 more seconds. and it becomes just a circle. No matter how far you get from the dot, it remains the same size. The closer you get, same size. And we're gonna put it back to the default setting of the dot circle. So I like that. This is the little mounting stand that comes on the bottom. Little stand that comes so you can mount it on a Picatinny rail, which is something like the AR pistol have. And then you take that off the bottom, and then it's ready to be mounted on top of a pistol with a slide that's optic ready, with the optic cut out. So today, we're gonna be putting this red dot, boom, on my Polymer 80 Glock 19. This is my first build. It's optic ready, you know, got the suppressor height sights on it. The Amerigo suppressor height sights, night sights. You got the TR-8 light laser combo. Yeah. There's no ammunition. Show you guys once again. And I'm gonna keep the mag removed when I'm installing this optic. Matter of fact, I'm gonna remove the slide also. Breaks down just like the Glock. I call this thing my Gucci Glock, man. Everybody, you know, you get into building Polymer 80s, it's kind of addictive. I got another build that I'm working on right now, which is a Glock 43. Got the 80 list sight, cheap sight on there. I'm gonna get the TR-8 on there. This is just a sight like I already had on another one of my guns. I like the green laser, so I just put it on here. It fits pretty slick, and it fits the profile. But yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna be mounting this slide. So this comes with, wow, ooh, yeah, that look good, don't it? Yeah, that look good. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what this comes with. It comes with a multi-tool, which is a hex on the one side and like a flathead screwdriver on the other side. I'm pretty sure this is for tuning it and sighting the optic in. And this is for, I think, putting the screws on. That's a hex key. So we're gonna install this onto the slide. Fits perfectly. And we're gonna get some the screws that come with it. You can use the screws that come with just your slide, or you know, you can use the screws that come with your optic. I'm gonna use the screws that come with my optic. I already got the blue Loctite on it. So we're gonna get these screws out. Boom. Got the blue Loctite on the screws. We're gonna start them. So I'm gonna try to do this on camera. Yeah, nice little back plate. I wanna change it out for the John Wick back plate. It's one of my favorite actors, Keanu Reeves, however you pronounce it. Keanu Reeves. Go ahead, correct me in the comments. I know y'all gonna do it. We put the screws in there, and we're gonna tighten it down with the multi-tool. Actually, gotta put a little pressure on there because this is a sight that's gonna be on a firearm that's gonna be firing. So you don't want your sight to be moving around. Before I shoot this, I'm gonna get some more Loctite out of my range bag. I keep a bottle of the top Loctite in my range bag. So if sights or like iron sights, optics, or anything get loose that need to be screwed in on the firearm, I can Loctite it in. So we're gonna tighten it up just for looks right now. Then we're gonna slide our slide back on. Oh, that boy. That thing smooth. Okay. You see it? Okay. Boom. Holosun 507C. I like that. You can pick up that dot faster than you can pick up them iron sights. So my ideas, I haven't shot this firearm with the sight on it. I've shot this firearm before, but I haven't shot it with the sight on it. So yeah, I'm gonna put some shots down range for you guys and let you guys see what when I sight this thing in. I'm not gonna muzzle myself. I'm gonna line it up a little bit. It's a little bit off. But I'm gonna line it up so I can co-witness with the suppressor high sights. I'm glad I got the suppressor high sights so I can co-witness. That thing look good. That thing's looking good. I'm trying to get it right in the camera. Yeah, I need to move it over a little bit. Yeah, I might have to, let me try to zero it in a little bit with, just off of me looking. So I'm gonna do a couple clicks. Need to move to the left. Just a little more. A little more, and it should be right on. All right, that looks good. So far, put that tool back in the box so I don't lose it, because that's gonna be pretty handy, but look like it's right above the dot. I'll have to sight it in when I go to the range. But yeah, Holosun 507C, man. I like it so far. I'll let you guys know when I put some shots down range and I sight this thing in and drop a 1,000 round review or 500 or 100 round review. See how I'm liking the sight so far. And yeah, I might add this thing to my everyday carry, man. So yeah, if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Please stick around for more videos, up and coming bangers just like this one. Don't miss out on nothing on Phonem. So it's your boy Zay. If you don't say today, you ain't part of the gang on Phonem. And I'm out, and I'll see y'all in the next video on gang.